Hey!
Hey!
Welcome back to CK Adventures. This is Sherry.
And this is Kevin.
We decided last minute to go boondocking. Come along and join us.
We'll never have to worry about running out of firewood or kindling. That's for sure. Well guys, here's our setup. We got the fire going because cooking with Sherry is about to happen with that fire. We got our normal chairs and then our lounge chairs so we can kick back and relax later. We are boondocking, but we did bring our Jackery to keep our refrigerator running. And there's our kitchen. And there's our sink for the weekend. And there is our bathroom for the weekend. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Sherry. And tonight we're going to do something that I've been wanting to do for at least 6 months. But we have been under a burn ban. We are no longer under a burn ban. We're going to cook in the fire. We're going to do a foil packet meal because all of you guys who camp know that it's pretty cool. Like you can put a ton of combinations in foil, put it in the coals, and cook. So tonight we have beef that I've had marinating all day in oil and some seasoning, various vegetables and other spices, and then this is corn on the cob, obviously. I'm gonna wrap this in foil and roast it and see how that turns out. So let's get started. With these foil pack meals, you guys need to keep in mind that you need to kind of have compatible food. So you can't have a protein that takes forever to cook and then a vegetable that cooks really fast, because then it won't work. All right, we're gonna let Kevin make his. So guys, we're gonna cook these about 5 minutes on each side. All right, let's see. Ooh. Does that look amazing?
Don't that look good?
All right, how did it turn out, honey? Is it good? Okay, baby, tell me about the steak and veggies. All right, guys, time to sit down for an enjoyable dinner by the fire. We got some friends coming over pretty soon to play some games. And the coyotes are getting closer, so if we can hear them, if they get louder, we'll share that with you.
I didn't build one. Well, now I got more money, but I ain't got the house. He ain't got no.
Hey, we got music going. You can't put this on our channel. Morning, baby.
Good morning, baby.
Rise and shine.
Breakfast is ready. All right, guys, we're gonna go for a little hike on our land and we'll just show you around, show you some of our trails. I think we're gonna have to take this tree down before it becomes a problem. So I think we'll name this the Cedar Trail because there's one big beautiful cedar. And here's the other one. Dude.
Good job.
We just discovered we have a bent tree.
Oh,
You want to tell them what just happened?
We got lost and had to pull out the old compass.
We went off-roading. Not all the trails were cut through here, and so we decided to make our own. Sasquatch done? Kevin said. We made it back to camp. Now it's time for some lunch.
What you making, baby?
100% all beef franks.
You don't say.
Yummy. That's what Kevin always says. So if you're still watching, it means you liked this video. So please like, subscribe, and share so that it encourages us to keep doing this.
Appreciate you coming along with us boondocking. And about time to head home now, so we're going to pack up. But thanks for tagging along.
And we'll see you on the next adventure.